Hello everybody and welcome back to this brand new video. Today I'm gonna talk about what happened. What happened is I lost my entire server. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, after I made that video, I lost my entire server. And in this video, I'm gonna share with you my experience so you do not have the same issue. So I recently discovered a new OS, you can say server operating system that is called Zima OS. This one is a great one. Why? Because it provides you with dashboards. If you want to install an application, there is no script, there is no anything. You just click on the application and you install it. The first problem that I had is when I installed Image, which is the Google Photos replacement, it didn't work. It crashed. The second thing, when I installed AdGuard, I couldn't, configure its static IP address, so I could not connect to it. They all have the same IP address but different ports, and that was a problem. So in this video, I'm just gonna tell you my experience with Zima OS and how everything went so you do not do the same mistake. First of all, if you wanna install Zima OS, you must have a PC that has UEFI boot. Alright? If your PC is old, doesn't have UEFI boot, you will not be able to boot to Zima OS. Second thing, you must back up your data. Yes, you must back up your data. You back up your pictures, back up the configurations. If you want to know how to do that, you can just ask Gemini like I did, and it will provide you with everything you need to back up your data to a disk drive or USB or anything. So when you install them again, it will be a piece of cake to set up and run. 13. If you're a power user, if you're a user like me who likes to tinker, who likes to go to terminal, tinker with stuff, edit stuff, I highly recommend you not to install Zima OS because Zima OS is just plug and play. You just take your PC, put the hard drives in, install Zima OS, and it will manage them. If you want to do a lot more, you can do that. You can install applications, but I just said it is limited, not like Proxmox. Proxmox lets you do anything, configure anything, use scripts. You can add virtual machines also in Zima, but here you have the full, you can control anything. So this video is just a conclusion. If you wanna just put hard drives, back up your data, go with Zima OS. If you want more control, if you want more management, if you want to be the main, the editor, everything, install Proxmox. Proxmox is open source. Zima is also free, but there is only 4 drives. There is a limit for only 4 drives. If you want to install more than 4 drives, you need to pay. That's it. So yeah, I lost my server. Now I need to format my PC and reinstall Proxmox because, as I said, when I saw Zima OS and I saw people using Zima OS, they used it without problems. They used it, to install everything they wanted. But for me, I couldn't do that. Image is down for me, and a lot of other apps that I tried to install didn't work. Adgar didn't work. Homar, there is no Homar. You need to install Docker and then you install Homar. So it had some issues. As I said, I highly recommend you, if you are using Proxmox, stay using Proxmox. If you're using something else, Zima OS probably is not the best option for you. It wasn't the best option for me, and that's how I lost my drive, and that's how I lost my everything. And we need to start over, but yay, more knowledge, eh? So that was today's video. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, drop us a like, comment down below in the description section, and I'll see you in the next one.